Beautiful English. Your chance to master English.
Hi everybody. I am Teacher Vlad in the Beautiful English Speaking Training System. In this video, we will learn about English verbs. A verb is a part of speech that shows action: walk, jump, swim, read. To make correct English sentences, you should know that there are auxiliary verbs and main verbs. Auxiliary verbs don't have their own meaning. We use them to make a sentence complete, or to make a question, or to answer negatively. There are three auxiliary verbs: to be, is, am, are, to do, does, and to have, has. Please try to understand and remember that we use auxiliary verb, to be, when a subject, an object, or a person who is in a sentence doesn't do anything. An object or a person is somewhere, location, it is big of small, size, or it is good, bad, beautiful, ugly, quality. We use the auxiliary verb, to do, when a subject does something: walk, jump, swim, read. And we always use auxiliary verbs when we make questions and answer negatively. Here are some examples. She is beautiful. She is not beautiful. Is she beautiful? He is in a pool. Is he in a pool? I jump. I do not jump. Do I jump? He walks. He does not walk. Does he walk? Now, look at the same sentences and replace dots with auxiliary verbs. To learn more about English verbs and to start speaking English, visit my website, beautifulenglish.org. Good luck and all the best. See you at my lessons.
Beautiful English. Your chance to master English.